Karen. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be testing out a theory that I had in my head. I saw this up on the e.l.f. website. This is their e.l.f. primer, adjusting primer, neutralizing green. If you're familiar with color correcting, you will know that one of the ways to neutralize a reddish tone is to use some green. And here we have Exhibit A. This is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blurring Foundation. I saw this at Ulta, and I have seen like a video on it before as far as how it looked, and it looked very natural on the skin. If you follow my channel, you know I like foundations that look natural on the skin. And now, after having a certain conversation with a certain someone here on my channel, I realize I need to be a little bit more conscious that if I'm wanting to share a product, try to make sure they have more shades. But sometimes I want to test out a product and it just happens to not have more shades. Does it suck? Yes, it does suck. But do I not try the foundation out on my channel because they don't have enough? Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I know that's a touchy subject. I know it. But this video is not about this foundation. It is more so about getting foundations that are too orange to look more normal. All right? Anyway, so let's jump into this video. All right, so I'm going to be testing out this theory with this. Is apply to clean skin prior to makeup application. Use a small amount, blend it evenly all over the face. I'm going to try with applying it to my face and then putting the foundation over it to see how it alters the color. This shade here is in number 8. Oh, I guess that's it. Number 8. And when I tested it in the store, it blurred into my skin, but this was like 2 weeks ago. No telling what my skin looks like now. It did seem pretty orange when I actually did put it on my face, and I was a little disappointed. Oh, it has a little shaker in it. Interesting. And it does have a makeup-like smell. Not chemically per se. Not chemically, but you know, these are all chemical smells. Not the kind that smells like paint thinner or whatever, but it does have a smell to it. That's what this foundation looks like. It's just a tad bit too orange for me on my skin. This is what it looks like. It's pretty thick. Yeah, it's not like a creamy color or anything like that. And the other cool thing about using a color like this to, what, excuse me, tone adjust. If I didn't know any better, I thought this just blurred my face out. Hold on, are we about to make this yeah, hold up. Wait. You may need to pump several times when you're first opening the product to dispense. This multi-purpose primer preps your skin and fills in fine lines so makeup goes on evenly for a long-lasting matte finish. Ingredients help to neutralize redness from rosacea, blemishes, and dry skin. This is crazy. I can barely see my pores. I can see my pores. Let me zoom in, sorry. That is just crazy how much of my pores you see on this side and how much of it you don't see on this side. And I can already tell this side of my face looks brighter than this side. So it's already neutralizing the redness. Any kind of red tone I have in my face is already like neutralizing it. Wow, that's kind of mind blowing. Let me finish applying it on. That is just, wow. What the heck? What is in this stuff? Is it silicone? Probably silicone's in it. Quite sure. Yep, dimethicone. That's the second ingredient. And the 5th and the 6th. Wow, that's kind of mind. That's crazy. Wow. Wow. I'm just curious, like, if this would neutralize it. So I had put it on before and I was like, no. Even with the concealer, because I don't mind it being deeper, but not orange deep. You know what I mean? Then this thing is orange. And I did not put any on my nose. Okay. So, wow. Dude, that is crazy. Oh my gosh. It's literally like blurring my nose out. This is, wow. Face still looks orange. All right, second theory. I want to see what this one looks like. And that's this product here from e.l.f. This is their Flawless Color Correcting Pen. I want to see if this one is more creamy. Now, I wish they would have had like an opening right here so you can see like when the product starts to run out. So that's the difference. You have the creamy formula versus that other one. I think this one will work better with the foundation. So let's test that theory out. Maybe let's cancel out some redness too while we're here. I usually like to mix this with a foundation though. And I think if you're gonna go this route, you need to be very, very careful. Don't do too much green to start with. Otherwise you can neutralize the foundation all the way and then have to add more foundation and blah, 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 blah. I usually like to mix this with foundation. I don't know why I just did that. Mix that with the green. See how much more we can neutralize this reddish orange color. The red cancels, green cancels out red. I don't know if that's enough. It looks starting to look a little bit normal. Let me just put a little bit more on there. All right, so that's the difference there. The one on the top is the original foundation, and the one on the bottom is neutralizing it with the green. Let's go for it. Oh wow, look at the difference in that. Wow, that is awesome. So like I said, but you're gonna have to mix it to figure out and keep an eyeball it basically. Wow, that's a huge difference from that orange from before. And even though it kind of neutralized, I still see a lot of orange in here compared to this side. And I hope that y'all can see this too. I'm not gonna put too much on my forehead. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm excited. And maybe I need to do it without that. So just so y'all can see what it looks like without the diffusing primer. I mean, wow, that's just crazy. Now this primer is dope. This e.l.f. primer, wow. I'm shocked by it. It actually made me wish I would have put it underneath. And this is their color selection that they have. So it's a pretty fair, it's like half and half. So I mean, I guess it's as fair as it's gonna get considering how they don't have that many shades. All right, so yeah, let me put that foundation on by itself so y'all can see what that looks like. Yeah, I can already see how orange it is on this side. I hope y'all can see the difference. I know I can. I see a major difference because this even blends into my skin versus I can see the orange stopping here and then my neck is like lighter. This foundation is probably not the extreme version of it, but from the swatches, like I said, you can see how much darker and orange this is versus how much more that green color neutralized it. So I'm glad that I did this video. Anyway, I hope y'all found this video useful on how to change the color of your foundation. Or if it's too orange, how to like help neutralize it some. Because you might really love the formula of the foundation, or maybe you bought the foundation when you had, you were deeper, you had more of that, sun-kissed look. And then now that your tan is disappearing, guess what? Now you need to neutralize it a little bit, and you love the formula and you don't want to go buy another shade. Why should you buy another shade when you can just simply adjust it? All right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.